Hey, good morning, everyone. Can you confirm audible or not? Can you hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So, where we stopped in the last session? Can you know where we stopped in the last session? Hmm? What we discussed?
Classes and loops concept.
We completed, right? The OOPS
Yeah,
concept.
loops concept. Yes.
Completed OOPS concepts, right? Oh, perfect. Okay. So, the next level thing is like we have some data types, right, in JavaScript. We don't have any type for the variable. Okay, we don't have any type for the variable, but based on the value we can decide the type, right? Yes or no? Okay, for example, I just created one variable like this. My n1 holds 10. So what is the type of my n1? What is the type of my n1? Type of n1, if you write, you can get like which type. It's like a number type or not, like this. Can you tell me in JavaScript different data formats? It's like a number format. Next, number format. What is the next one?
String,
Okay, it's a string format. What is the next one?
Boolean,
It's a boolean. Next, it's a boolean. Next, come on, it's a boolean. The next one, huh? Array, right? Array is nothing but this is the one. The next one,
can be object also.
the object also. Next one, it can be a function also or not. It can be a function also or not. Most of the times, okay, if you come here, then point it's like float. Most of the times, whenever you work with data in JavaScript, my data may be a number type, my data may be a string type. Okay, it's a boolean. Okay, it's like a array, it's like an object, or it's like a function or not. Yes or no? And the data type can be anything. But if you observe here, n1 equals to 10, before that var is there. Okay, do you think my var is data type which represents the type of your data? Look, my var is a data type. Is it represents the type of your data? Type of your value is my var. Is my var is representing like this?
No.
No, right? No, right? So then, okay, why you said like var is a data type? What kind of role my var is going to place? It's like var, not only var, we have a let also one data type is there. We have constant also one data type is there. These are not represent the type of your variable. Then what it is going to represent? What kind of behavior, what it is going to tell something about your variable if it is not tell something about the type of the data? Understood my question?
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yeah, the scopes.
Yeah, it's tell something about the behavior, you can say behavior of your variable. So what kind of behavior, that is my question. Okay, very simple. Okay, now I have a few questions. Okay, just you can answer it. Are you able to see my screen? Google. Okay. First question. Just answer it. Okay. Let's go to the console. Why this all not like visible? Let's write this. I have a function fn. A function fn. Okay. Here my var a equals to 10. Okay, now what is the value of my a? What is the value of my a? What is the value of my A?
10.
Okay, the value of my A is 10 by 3. What is the value of my A? You're right. A is not defined. Okay, simple reason, don't think more. It's a function. This function not called. Whenever the function not called, this particular this particular statement is going to execute or not execute. This particular statement executed or not executed? Tell me.
Not.
No.
Not executed. That means this variable not created. Still you are trying to use that variable, so it is not find that variable in that scope. That's okay, fine. Now I called. Now what is the value of A? Now I called. What is the value of my A?
10.
Okay, still you can get the same error. Okay, why A is not defined? Oh, very simple. You created a variable with var data type inside a function. You called that particular function also. That means the variable created. But you used that variable inside the function or outside the function? You used that variable in
Outside.
the function or outside the function? You used that variable outside the function. So whenever you create a variable with var data type, the behavior of the variable is what it's a block level scope. What is block level scope? Very simple. Okay, this variable you created, right? Okay, just check the curly braces before this particular variable. Okay, this before this statement, where my curly braces, that means where my block started, you can check it. So here is my block started or not? Yes or no? Okay, now you can say like this is like a block. Okay, curly brace, wherever you see, simply you can say like a block. But whenever you type, okay, whenever you create a variable with var data type, it is like what kind of scope? It is like a functional scope. It's called as a block only. This is my functional block, function block, you can say. Whenever you create a variable with var data type, okay, that particular variable having by default functional scope. Functional scope is nothing but in the functional block starting here and ending here. Wherever you want, you can use this here. But outside this one, can I use it or not? Outside this function, can I use it or not? No.
No.
Why? Because var data types by default, which behavior it has? Functional scope behavior or not? Yes or no? Agreed? So whenever you create or declare a var data type variable within the function, can I say simply that variable is like a local to that function? Can I say simply that variable is like a local to this function? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed with me? That's the reason you called that function. That statement also executed, but the variable scope is what? Within the function or outside the function? Within the function.
It
But you used where?
Outside.
Outside the function. That's the reason it gives me an error is like what? A is not defined. Okay, now slide change. I just remove. Okay, remove A. Okay, I removed my A. Now what is my A value? What is my A value?
undefined. A is not a variable.
A is not defined. A is not defined. Why? You not called, right? First of all, you have to call. After that, we can see that behavior of it looks like you not called, so that the statement itself not executed. A is not defined. So can I call like this? Can I call like this?
Yes.
Whenever you call, okay, my statement, the A equals to 10. Okay, this is the valid syntax only or not without data type in JavaScript. Valid. Now, what is my A value? What is my A value? 10. Now, what is the difference between, okay, data type variable without data type variable? whenever you created a variable with data type var, that is always having functional scope. Inside the function only we can use it. Okay, when you declare this one inside the function, think inside the function only you declare it, right? So that var data type variable I can use inside the function only. Why? Because it is having functional scope behavior by default. But now you created a variable with var, without var, with
Without.
var or without var,
Without.
without var. Okay, inside the function only you created. Whenever you create a variable or declare a variable without var, that time that variable is behaving like a functional scope or a global scope.
Global.
That variable is like acting like what, functional or global? Global, right? This is only the proof now. Okay, if it is like a global, I can use inside the function, I can use outside the function also or not. Understood the difference?
Yes.
Okay, so whenever you declare a equals to 10, it's like a global. Where a equals to 10, what is the scope? Functional scope. It is like what, local to that function or not? Yes, no? Local to that function. Agreed? Where? What about let? What about let? Anyone knows? No, what's my answer? Now what's my answer? Now what's my answer? Come on, tell me what's my answer?
Undefined error will be there. A is not defined
A is not defined. Why A is not defined? A is
because
defined.
it's a variable. It's within the functional scope.
Yeah, within the functional scope means you can use this A in this particular functional block or not. You use it within the function only, right? Yes or?
Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I use console.log outside.
No. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Now what error you can get it? Can you see? C is not defined. AB is okay, but C is not defined error you are getting. Why C is not defined? Now see, C you declare like come on, C you declared like
let
let C equals to 30. Let data type or not. If it is like a var data type, it's a functional scope variable.
functional scope.
If it is like let data type, what is the behavior? It's a block level scope. The difference is like functional scope, block scope is what? Functional scope is nothing but function curly braces only. It's going to take the reference. Function curly brace started here and ending here. You can use in this one anywhere in this area, anywhere you can use it. But block level scope is what, you declare let's see equals to 30. The next level block is what? Curly brace, this one or not? Yes or no? Next curly brace. Okay, my C inside which block? If block. If block. So whenever you declare a variable with let, that is which kind of scope? Block level scope. Okay, if it is like a block level scope, I can use within this block only or not? Am I use C inside the block or outside the block? I'm using C inside the block or outside the block?
Outside block.
Outside the block. Whenever you use like outside the block, that particular variable is not available outside the block, you can get the error is like what? C is not defined. Now what's my answer? If I call Fn, what's my answer?
10, 20, 30.
Okay, the answer is like 10, 20, 30. Perfect. The answer is like 10, 20, 30. Yes or no? The answer is like 10, no, 20, 30. Agreed? Huh? Okay, then. Now I'm going to write 1. Now, what is my ABC values? Okay, what is my value? What's my output?
C is not defined.
What is my output? C is not
Not yet.
defined. Okay. Now, correct. You are right. Now, what is my output? Now, what is my output? Now, what is my output? Anyone?
10, 20, 30.
10, 20, 30. Perfect.
30.
Okay. Now, if you call it 10, 20, 30. Can you explain? First, whenever you call
Where-
it,
hmm,
this block, okay, this statement is going to execute where a equals to 10. The scope of a is
Functional.
functional scope. So function started here, ending here. So a, wherever you want, you can use it or not in this area. Yes or no?
Right.
Now let c equals to 10. Okay, let the data type. The scope is what?
Block level.
Functional or block? Functional
Block
or
level.
block?
Block
Block.
level.
Okay, c inside which block?
Function block.
This block only, right? This block only. So see, wherever you want in this block, you can use it. The next one is like if true, okay, you created one more variable. This what? Where b equals to 20. Where data type, take which scope?
Functional scope.
Functional scope. So that in this function, wherever you want, you can use it. C
Right.
equals to 10. Already you declared C, right? That is like in this block it is available. So it's simply you override that value. So finally, my A is available functional scope. So that inside the function, my C is like a block level. That is also functional block only. Okay, so my B is like a functional scope. Inside the function you can use. So finally, ABC is available in the function or not. Yes or no? Okay, na? Up to here, okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
What's my output? What is my output? Hmm? What is my output? Anyone? What is my output?
10, all 10, 20, 30, 40.
10, 20, 30, 40. But D is not
Not.
defined. It means simply, come on.
This is block level. Constant will be block level.
Again, my constant also acting like what? Block level scope only or not? My constant also acting like a block level scope only. Now, if I call my fn, see my output is like what? 10, 20, 30. You 40 not printed, you can print it, no issues. Okay, here, can I print it? If you call, you can get the output or not. Yes or no? So my let and constant, what kind of behavior? Let and constant, what kind of behavior?
Block
Block
level.
level scope only or not? Block level scope only. So now if you write something like this, can anyone tell me the output? Can anyone tell me the output? Can anyone tell me the output? Hmm? One.
10, 20, 30.
What's my output? 10, 20,
30.
30. But you can get the error. What is that error? Assignment to the constant variable. That means Once you create a variable with the constant data type, reassignment is possible or not possible?
Okay, not possible.
Not possible or not. So let the constant behavior is like block level scope only. Let variables can reassign, constant variables count. Understood? Now, can you tell me overall? Okay. Can you tell me the difference between where, let, constant? What's your answer? Come
Um,
on.
where is functional scope?
Okay, whenever you declare a variable with where data type, okay, it is having the behavior like a functional scope. Within the function, you can use it wherever you want. Next. Next.
Let is a block level.
Okay, let is like
And
a block level
block.
scope. Okay, within the block only we can use it. Outside the block we cannot. If you use, then you can get which kind of error? Is not defined error or not. You
Not
have to
defined.
more. Next. Constant.
Constant also block level.
Constant also similarly work like let only, but the difference is like constant variables cannot be reassigned.
Overwritten. Okay.
Cannot be reassigned or cannot be overwritten. Okay, this is the main difference between where let constant. Where let constant, they not represents the type of the data. It tells something about the behavior of your variable or not. It's like a block load scope. Okay, it's like a functional scope. It tells something about the behavior of the variable or not. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay then. So the next one.
So, sir, if I have a let variable in the higher order function, in the outer function, and
Outer.
inner
Oh,
function, if I have constant, will
okay.
it override?
Let me write it.
Uh,
Okay. Let a
let
equals to
equal
10.
10
Okay.
and
My function f. Okay.
uh,
Here constant a equals to 20.
to 20.
This is the value. Okay. Console dot log of
A,
yeah.
A.
Yeah. Okay. Now you only tell if I call my fn. Come on. Who
But
get the first priority? Who get the priority?
constant.
Always it is looking for this one in this context only first, right? If it is not there only, next go to the next level inheritance kind of first check one. If it is not there, then it's go to the next level or not. Yes or no?
But if A is inside Fn and I have A
Yeah.
to, yeah, if you write a
Inside
function,
fn. Yeah. Inside fn,
let A equal to 20,
let a equals to, yeah, now also you can tell
there's another function like inside that if true, constant
a
A
block,
equal
if
block
a,
level, yeah. Yeah.
okay, okay, if true,
Constant A equal to 30
constant a equals to 30. Okay, now where you want me to print that console message?
in the function level only. Yeah, this place only.
Here only.
Yeah.
Okay, now tell me first.
Okay. Right. First it will take 20, then it will overwrite 30. 30.
Okay, first let a equals to 20. It's created like a block level. Okay, so in this block a equals to 20. Whenever if you come to the constant a equals to 30, it is which kind of scope? It is which kind of scope?
Block.
Okay, block level. So this a in this context only or not? Yes or no?
Uh,
Okay. Now log console.log of a, you are looking for a. Okay. Now in this particular block, a is there or not there?
it is there.
There, right? A equals
Yeah.
20. But this a is not available outside this block, right? Okay, so that they not considered.
Okay. Mhm.
Got the point?
Right.
This a, okay, this particular constant variable in this context only it is available. But you are looking for console.log of a is what in the entire context, right?
Function.
In the entire my a equals 20 is there or not?
It is there, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Any questions? Okay, so this explanation is required. Where let constant. Okay, na? Okay, then. So my next thing is like very, very important. Okay, this is similar to Python. I am going to create one variable. I'm going to create one variable. This. What is the type of this variable? What is the type of this variable? Type
Number.
of A is what?
Number.
Number. Type of A is like number. Correct? Now, where B equals to type of B is what? String. Okay? Na? Where C equals to true. Type of C is what? Boolean. Where D equals to 12.3. Type of D is what? Type of D is what? Come under number only. Where E equals to this one. Type of E is what? Where F equals to this one. Type of F equals to what? Object. If you see, these are the data types only most of the times you can see in JavaScript. Where A equals to, where A equals to 10. What is the type he said? Number. It's correct only. Correct only. Okay, here string, here boolean, correct only. But if you come here, what is the type of this particular E? Is it telling like arena object?
Object.
Object. Where F equals to JSON object. What is the type of this one?
Object.
Object. Okay, so number showing like a number. A equals 10, no? 12.5. It's a number. String showing like string only, the type. Boolean showing like a boolean only. But array and object, they returns as like type is like what? Object or not? In your mind, if I said like object, what do you think? Object, if I said, what do you think? What is going to run in your mind? Use whoops concept. Object is nothing but it is a reference to one variable, right? Physical representation of your class or not? Yes or no? It looks like variable. It's a physical representation of what?
Class.
Object is nothing but class, physical representation of your class. So whenever you said like my E is an object, it is an object of what?
Array class.
One class. It is an object of one class. So whenever I said like F equals to something, whenever the type is like an object, again my F is an object of what?
Of a
F
class.
is an object of one class. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, whenever you come to E is equals to something, E is an object of one class. What is that class? That is the question or not? First question. What is that class name? Whenever here also it is an object, it is an object of which class? Yes or no? Come on. Agreed? So if it is an object of one class, if you have an object, what you can do with that object? If you have an object, what you can do with that object?
Call.
We can call.
What you can call? What you can call?
Method of class.
Consume the members of that class, right? Consume that members of a class or not? So my E is an object of which class? You know that? E is an object of array class. Is that? Array class. By seeing this one, array is which type of class? We already discussed. Come on. Array is which
Functional
type of class?
class.
It's a functional
Functional
class.
class.
It's a functional class. It's a functional class. It's a class. How we can say it's a class? Anytime, if you see the type is like F starts with a capital letter, what I said. It's a functional class or not? Okay, now this functional class has how many members? Own members, how many? 0. Do you think like, okay, these only the final members, 0 only the final members? Is there any other chance is there? Okay, have some members from outside also inside this class.
It can have outside.
It can have. Okay, how? My class not only own members, my class may get some members from outside. How we can see those members?
Prototype.
Prototype, inheritance or not. So these many members are there, yes or no? These many members are there, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now if I know my E is an object of array class, so that by using E, I can consume these members or not. So how we can consume E dot yet? There are not there, see. Okay, E dot concat, there are not there. Okay, E dot copy within, there are not there. See, I am able to consume the members of that class or not. Agree with me, all are. Come on. So if you come to the F is an object of which class? F is an object. Then what is the class? Which class object my F is? Object class. Object class. Do we have any members?
No.
Will you confirm no as no members? Will you confirm as no members? Final confirmation is like object class has no members. No, right? So how we can get it?
Prototype.
By using prototype. Okay, these many members are there, yes or no? So can I call it f dot has own property? There are not there are f dot concat. There are
No, it is
concat is the member inside which class?
array.
Array class. Okay, array class members can I get or can I refer with object of object class? Array class
No.
members can I consume it by using object class object? No, na. So that, okay, my object class members only I can consume by using object class object or not. Yes or no? All are okay. Come on. Agree with me here. But come to this one. This is something different. Where A equals to what? Where A equals to 10. What is the type? Type of A?
Number.
Type of A is like number. It's not an object. See here. It's not an object. How we can say it's not an object? By default, how we can say it's not an object? Why? Because my type is not object, na? Yes or no? But A dot, see, I'm able to call some members, na? If it is not an object, how we can access these members? That is the question or not? Yes or no? Array type is an object. So that you can consume array class methods. Object type is an object, so that you can consume object class methods, object class members. But A is an object of any class by default, see?
No.
No, right? But still I am able to access type, okay, two fixed or something. What is this two fixed? I am able to access one member using dot means the prefix is an object of one class or not again. But you said like it is not the type like object. Then what happened? Okay, now this two fixed coming from which class? See this two fixed you are calling with this reference means it is an object of one class or not. But here it's not an object, but it's an object of one class. Which class that is? What is that? Which class?
Number class.
Number class. In the number class, two fixed is there or not there?
It is.
It is. But now, okay, small thing you have to observe here. Whenever you declare a variable where a equals to 10, it's a kind of primitive data type. Okay, the type of a is a number. By default, at the time of declare the variable, it is not create an object for the number class. When it is going to create an object for the number class dynamically means whenever you are accessing some of the members from the number class, okay, then that time my A type is what? 10. Okay, in between at runtime, it is going to create an object for which class? Number class or not? Whenever you declare where A equals to 10, okay, it will not create an object by default at the time of not create an object at the time of defining. Whenever you create where b equals to 10, now itself it create an object to which class? array class. But when it is going to create an object for number class means whenever you consume any member like this, just before my a is like what? Create an object for which class? For which class internally at
Number class.
runtime? Number class or not? So by default, it is not the object of number class. Whenever you consume the members of two fixed or something, it is not create an object for area or something. Okay, my a value is like a 10. No, the corresponding class is what? Number only. It create an object for the number class, and it is going to consume the members of the number class or not. Come on. If it is like a complex data type like this, directly create an object. If it is like a primitive data type, this is the conversion is happen at the time of consuming the member. At runtime only, it's going to create an object that respective class or not, corresponding class or not. Agreed? Come on. The same thing is applicable for, come on, what is the type of B?
Boolean.
Whenever you write something like this, before this, it create an object for which class?
Boolean class.
Boolean class or not? Boolean class is there or not there? Yes, there. Okay. How we can see the members of this Boolean class prototype? ToString value of toString are able to? Yes, no? Come on. Now, whenever my var a equals to Sachin, okay, what is the type of a? String. But whenever you call something like this, just before this call, it create an object for which class?
String
It create an
class.
object for which class? String class.
String.
So how we can consume the members of the string class? String dot prototype. You can see these all members, we can access it or not. So for primitive data types, internally they create an object at runtime, not like a declaration time or not. Whenever you declare, it is not create an object, but complex data types like an array object, directly they create an object or not. Yes, no? All are okay? Come on.
Yes, sir.
So finally, you can conclude one statement. In JavaScript, how many data types are there? For every data type, there has a corresponding classes we have or not. Come on, for every data format, we have a corresponding classes are there or not. Each class has some methods. Those methods we can consume it by creating an object. Okay, na? Okay, then let's go to the next one. Now I want to discuss something about JSON object. JSON. Can anyone tell me why we go for this JSON? Where exactly we are going to use this JSON? Can anyone tell me one simple scenario? Can anyone tell me the simple scenario?
If we want to store the data in the key value pairs, then we can go with the JSON.
Okay. I need a scenario. In this case, JSON is required, something like that. Gayatri?
So like when you're using different software platforms, but towards the data, whatever the user passing, that one you want to pass as a JSON object to the server.
Yeah. That's okay. Scenario, simple. If you want to book a train ticket, okay, usually which website you are going to prefer? One, usually which website is you are going to prefer?
IRCTC.
IRCTC. One website is there, no? IRCTC, one website is there. So my question is, only by using IRCTC, IRCTC only you can book the ticket, or any other platforms also there?
Multiple options.
Multiple platforms are there or not? Okay, tell me. Some of the platforms which allow you to book the train ticket. Makemytrip.com. I can book the ticket or not. Even Paytm. Yes or no? You can book the train ticket or not.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one is like, okay, musafir.com. Okay. Find my journey. Okay, like this, multiple platforms are there or multiple applications are there can create a train ticket or not. But official website is what? irctc.com. So tell me, okay, one berth allocated to one person means that berth, okay, we should not allocate it to any other person. Okay, if you try to book the ticket in makemytrip.com, then that time you have to show like that berth is like already allocated to one person or not. Yes or no? For example, I booked a ticket in IRCTC by using irctc.com. Okay, here, okay, they given allocated my seat is like S11. Okay, S11. Okay, 10 is my seat, for example. This S11 10 seat, okay, it is already allocated to the one person, right? Okay, the person he booked the ticket through irctc.com. Now tell me, another person you want to book the ticket by using makemytrip.com. That time, okay, this particular ticket you should see like already this is like allocated to one person. Something like this you supposed to be see or not? Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the general thing, right? So that the platforms can be any, but all the tickets, okay, it's like booked or not available tickets, already booked tickets, all this data you have to maintain in one place or not. Yes or no? Yes or no? Where they are going to maintain all this data? In the database, right?
Database.
Database or not? This database, who is going to maintain?
IRCTC.
IRCTC people, right? Not Make My Trip or not Musafir or not some other person. Why? Because if I give this, who is the responsible person actually? IRCTC people, right? Yes or no? I booked this ticket, okay, through any. Finally, this guy only the responsible person or not? Yes or no? Okay, even this guy responsible person, but this guy is going to communicate with whom? IRCTC only or not? Final destination is like what? If any issue get it, okay, this person only has to take care or not. So this is my database. Who is going to connect with the database? Who can connect with the database?
IRCTC.
Okay. Who can connect with the database? Which application? Think in
Server.
software
Server.
technology wise. Server side application or not? Server side application. What kind of application this is? Is a normal distributed application or a web application? What? Distributed, right? Yes or no? Why distributed? There is multiple clients are there. That's it. Don't think more. Okay, now this is my IRCTC. Through IRCTC, I booked the ticket. My distributed application, I developed using Java. I have okay much budget so that okay I can put an effort. So I choose like Java programming language. Okay, so that I created a Java distributed application. Okay, my Java distributed application connect with the database and okay perform some operation allocated berth to this particular passenger, something like that. Now my server side application you created using Java. My makemytrip.com people, they created their application in PHP. In PHP. Possibility there or not there? This is my own website. I preferred PHP. What's wrong with that one? What's wrong with that one? Now, my IRCTC people created or developed their application is like Java. All my remaining people, okay, my partners, all my remaining partners supposed to be, okay, should be developed their websites also like Java. Like this, can I comment? Can I tell to them? If I tell also, they are going to accept? No, right? No, right? Okay, you have some money that isn't just you put like more, okay, you have a budget so that you developed your application using Java. We don't have, so that we can go with PHP, Node.js, something like this or not. I am not the person to decide remaining partners, application, technology and everything or not. Yes or no? Now my makemytrip.com people developed their application by using which technology? Come on, which technology?
PHP.
PHP or not? Now, whatever the passenger details, okay, passenger name, okay, the next one is like starting point, ending point, date, all these details, finally, okay, to whom I have to send to store in the database or check the availability and book the ticket. After that one, you have to store the data in the database or not? To whom I have to send?
Server side app.
Server side application or not? Why? Because my server side application is going to communicate with the DB and insert the data or not? Yes or no? Now my PHP application talk with whom?
Java.
Java. If I send like a PHP object to this guy, is my Java can understand PHP code? No,
No,
right?
without
No,
conversion.
right? So that, okay, irrespective of technology, I need one common language to talk in between these or not, one common language for communication or not, to pass the data from PHP to Java, Java to PHP, whatever it may be. One common language is required or not? That common language is what? My XML, my JSON or not? Yes or no? Okay, whenever you come to the XML previous, okay, you format the data in the XML format. XML is like what? User defined elements or not? Okay, just I formatted my data like this. Okay, now my passenger, okay, his name, and my starting point, and my ending destination, ending point, and my date, something like this. I have to prepare, okay, one formatted data. This data I have to send from where to where? Come on.
PHP to
Make my trip, okay, make my trip to IRCTC distributed application or not? Yes or no? Agreed? Now, it's the common understandable language irrespective of technology, right? So that my make my trip people send the data using XML, my IRCTC people, okay, parse this XML and retrieve this data, and the availability is there. Just is going to save this data in the database with some berth, allocated with some berth or not? Yes, no? If you send the data in the XML format, what my IRCTC people has to do, they has to retrieve the data from where? They has to retrieve the data from where? Come on.
from
They has to
XML.
retrieve the data
XML
from where?
tags.
XML or not? For that, they has to write like some parsing techniques and all. Okay, it's take. Okay, it is like little bit tricky. You have to spend some more effort. You have to spend some more time parsing techniques and everything you have to use. Any other way is there? Means yes, there. Okay, that is also one more common understandable language. What is that? My name is like yes. My starting point is like something. Okay, like this, That's the and this is the one, and my date, this is the one. Something like this we can create or not. This format, it's like a key value pair format. This format I can say like a JSON. Now my make my trip people, okay, send which data? JSON data to my IRCTC. Okay, here no parsing techniques, nothing is required. Directly my JSON you can convert into Java object. Now, once it is converted into Java object, yes, my Java core can understand the Java object, and it is going to, okay, save the data in the database by allocating some berth or not. Yes or no? So here, one common understandable language is required or not. So which one is like a common understandable language irrespective of technology, means whether it is like XML or okay, whether it is like a JSON or not. Agreed? So XML and JSON, both you have two choices. Okay, which one you want me to prefer?
JSON.
JSON or not? Why? Because it is easy for us to convert this JSON into PHP object, this JSON into Java object, this JSON into .NET or Node, whatever it may be, what not, any we can convert. Conversion is like a very easy thing. Understood, right? So most of the times to talk, okay, my one application to another application, okay, we are going to use for communication purpose, okay, that means sharing the data. One application, I am sending the data to another application, that another application giving the data back to this application. That communication we are going to handle by using, come on, the data we are going to handle by using JSON or not.
JSON.
Agreed? All are okay? Now in JavaScript, okay, how we can create one JSON object, how we can insert the data into JSON, how we can update, how we can delete, how we can retrieve, these operations I want to discuss. Understood up to here? Okay. Scenario, why we go for JSON?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then now how to create? Now come on, okay, technology wise, see this same format you can see in Python. It's like a key value pair with which one? Dictionary. The same format you can see in Java. Map. Okay, in .NET also map. Okay, in JavaScript it's like a JSON. Okay, we have like a map also. Both we can see. Now let's go. First, how to create one JSON object. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Literal Notation. JSON stands for, it's a literal notation. How we can create one JSON object where obj equals to, if you want to create one JSON, say the curly braces, something like this, syntactically we can. So type of obj is what? Type of obj is what?
Object.
Type of obj is what? It's an object or not? Of which class?
Object class.
Object class. Object class has how many members? How many members? These many members. Constructor has own property. Okay, these are the members or not? We not discussed about the constructor, right?
No, not the
No, right?
constructor.
Okay, I will discuss. I will tell. One second. Huh?
Sir, are you talking anything?
No, 1 second. Yeah. So are you okay now? Okay, it is an object of this one. So obj dot our O has own property, you can call it. Okay, obj dot. Okay, this is the one. To local string, property is enumerable. Okay, these all members you can call it or not. Yes or no? Okay, then
Yes.
that is already we discussed. So my thing is like, if you have an object directly, a raw object, how we can insert the data? Okay, I have already one object you created without any data. Do we have any data here? By seeing
No.
this one, do we have any data? No data. I want to insert the data. If you have the data inside the object, that data terminology wise I can say like a properties. Now my question is, how many properties are there?
0.
0 properties. Okay, how the properties looks like?
Key value.
Practically it's a key value pair. It's a key value pair. So at this moment we don't have any properties. Property is nothing but it's a key value pair. So if you want to insert one property, what inputs are required to you?
Key and value.
Key and value or not? Yes or no? Okay, so like that, I want to insert some data. Already data inserted. I want to update the data. Already data is there. I don't want, so you can delete the data. Whatever the data is there, I want to use it. So I can retrieve the data or not. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Come on. I can retrieve the data or not. Clear, okay, everyone?
Yes.
So my question is like, how to insert the data? Simple. What inputs are required to insert the data? You already
Key
told me.
value.
Okay, key value pair or not. For example, this is related to one player data. So I want to insert this data. So I want a key value. Tell me. I want to insert a property. So key value, right? Key value pair you said. What is the key and what is the value? You decide.
Name.
I say my key is like a name and my value is like a
Such.
Sachin. So I have the key value pair and I have an object also. So if you have a key value pair and an object reference, so how you can insert the data means there has two ways. One is like by using one of the notation, dot notation. Another one is like using square bracket notation. Tell me. One is using dot notation. Another one is like using square bracket notation or not. So dot notation syntax everyone knows. Tell me. So my player, okay, my player which you are going to insert the data. So first of all, which object you want me to insert the data, that object you can get it. Which notation? Dot notation. What is the key? Name. What is the value? Sachin. That's it. That's it. Like this, we can insert the data or not. Can we check practically? See, where my player equals to this. How many properties are there?
0.
0.
0 properties. Property is nothing but what?
Key value pair.
Key value pair. Key value pair. So if you want to insert the data, how many ways we can insert the data?
2 ways.
2 ways. One is like what?
Dot.
Dot notation. Another one is like what?
Square
Square bracket notation. So my player dot, what is the key? Name. What is the value?
Sachin.
Sachin. Done. Okay. Now my player has how many properties?
1.
One property or not. Like that, I want to insert player dot runs equals to 20,000. 20,000. Now tell me the player. Yes. How many properties are there?
2 properties.
2 properties. Can anyone tell me? Okay, property to property, how we can differentiate in the object?
Comma.
Comma. Property is nothing but what?
Key value pair.
Yeah.
Key to value, how we can differentiate?
Colon.
By using a colon or not? By using colon. This is the high level. Understood? Come on. Up to here, okay? So you inserted how many properties?
2 properties.
Properties. Now my player dot, okay, full name is like Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Okay, my player dot full name. His name is like Sachin. Okay, full name is like Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Tell me. Okay, can I click on enter? What happened?
Space.
What happened?
Full name space is there.
Okay, first of all, it is which error?
Syntax error.
Any programming language, it's not a matter. If you get syntax error means
It's
Correct.
if you get the syntax error means you are not following the rules. You are not following the guidelines or not. Now, which guideline you not followed means whenever you use dot notation, my key should not contains the should not contains the spaces. My property key should not contains the spaces. That is the thumb rule. That is the guideline. But you not followed, right? Yes or no? Whenever my key has the spaces, what is my guideline? You should not go with dot notation. Yes or no? Then you have to go with what?
square bracket.
Square bracket notation or not. Now is it okay?
Yes.
Can I click on enter? Again what? Syntax error. Why you know? Now whenever you use like a square bracket inside this one, again we have what? Full is there, name is there, space is there or not there. If you have a space again like this, that should represent like a single key or not. How we can represent like a single key? Just enclosed with string format. Now see, it is like valid or not? Agreed? Come on. So when you can go with the square bracket notation, what's your answer? When you can go with the square bracket notation, what is your answer?
If the key having any
Any
space.
spaces. Perfect. Now, how many properties are there? How many properties are there overall?
Three properties.
Three properties are there. Where my a equals to location. Okay, what is my a value? What is my a value?
String.
Location.
Location.
String location. Okay, my player dot a equals to Mumbai. So which key is going to insert? Okay, my expectation is like should be location key with Mumbai value. Will it or not? Will it or not? My a is like location. Player dot a value is what?
Mumbai.
Location. A value is what? Location. Okay.
Right.
Assigned with which value? Mumbai. Player dot location equals to Mumbai. So my location is going to add it or not. So that is my expectation. Will it work or not? You can tell. So here the key is a static or dynamic. First tell me. Key is static or dynamic? Key is a location. So here a is a static or it is representing or pointing to some other value now.
Some
Static
other
or
value.
dynamic? It's a dynamic.
Dynamic.
It's a dynamic. Yes or no? It's a dynamic. Tell me then.
So
Tell me, will it work or not work?
it will say a Mumbai will be inserted.
A Mumbai is going to insert, not location, right? Now say this. Okay, but my expectation is what? Location Mumbai, na? My A has some value. Location Mumbai I'm expecting. Whenever the key is like a dynamic, you want me to go with the dot notation? Whenever the key is a dynamic, do you want me to go with the dot notation? Tell me.
No.
No.
It will
No,
override.
right? If you go with the dot notation, that simply treated that key, okay, that particular dynamic value is like a normal static text, right? Yes or no? Okay, so you should not go with the dot notation means what is our alternate?
Square
Bracket
bracket.
equals to, okay, Mumbai. Now, here, yeah, will it work or not work? Will it work or not work?
It will.
No. Now, if you write like this, last time you enclosed with what?
Quotes.
Double quote, right? So if I go like this, what happens?
Error. Because already it is
no error. The same A only inserted or not? Again, in the square bracket notation also, if you put like a string, that string is like what? Treated like a static only.
key.
Again, my A is a static or dynamic? Static or dynamic?
Dynamic.
Then that time, just you can put like normal reference. Yeah, that's it. Now my A is pointing to what? Location.
Location.
If you see my player, my location added or not? Yes or no? Come on. So in which cases you have to go with the square bracket notation? Tell me. In which cases you have to go with the square bracket notation?
If my key is having space or dynamic value.
One is like my key having spaces, that is one. The next one is like what? My
dynamic value.
Spaces, that is one. The next one is like what?
If you want to insert a dynamic value, then
if you want to insert a dynamic value, if you want to insert my key is dynamic, you have to tell. Okay, value you can don't say. If my key is like a dynamic, then you can go with what?
Square bracket
My
notation.
key is like a dynamic, then you can go with square bracket notation or not. Agreed? Any questions so far? Up here, okay? Insertion.
So can you scroll up 1 minute?
I want to go top. Yeah.
Yes.
Is it okay?
So when you're saying player dot equal to Mumbai and you pressed enter, it is returning Mumbai.
No, the A is inserted with Mumbai, right? Value. So that the value is like return. That statement.
Okay.
A is inserted with Mumbai. Yes, it's correct, syntactically correct. But my expectation is something different, right?
Okay.
Okay, na? So this is the way we can insert the data. Okay. So that insert the data is this one. Very simple update is same syntax. Same syntax. Which syntax? Same insert syntax. Insert syntax. But the difference is what you know. If key not there, my operation is what?
Insert.
Insert operation. Key already there, my operation is what? Update
Update.
operation. Update operation. Other than that, nothing. Key already there, my operation is like update. Key not there, my operation is like what? Insert operation or not. Now my player is there. My player dot a equals to, okay, this. My operation is insert or update. My operation is like insert or update. Come on.
Update.
Update, right? Why update? My A already there or not there? My A already there. Whenever my A already there, my operation is like update operation. Now see, my A is updated with what? 2. Yes or no? Got my point?
Yes.
Okay, remaining all rules are like common. Okay, my player dot full name equals to SS. Will it work or not work?
Not work.
Not work.
Why? The thumb rule is what? Key having the space means
Square
should
bracket.
not be. Should not be.
Dot notation.
Dot notation. So if you write like this, full name is like a static or dynamic. You want static. Whenever it is like static, you should enclose it with what? Come on, enclosed with what?
Quotes, double quotes.
Double quotes or not. If it is not enclosed with double quote, it's like a dynamic value. Now, can anyone tell me any variable or anything can I create using spaces?
No.
No, right? So that again, the syntax error, you can get it. Again, the syntax error, you can get it. Now, my operation is what? Update or insert? Already
Update.
full name is there. My operation is
Update.
what? Update operation or not? Yes or no? So my insert to update, there is no change. Key already there, update. Key not there, insert. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what next?
Okay.
Come on, what is the next one?
Delete.
Delete. Delete. Okay, so that if you want to delete one member from this particular one property from this particular object, how you know we have one keyword is there in JavaScript. What is the keyword? You know, delete is the keyword. What is the keyword?
Delete.
Delete is the keyword. So from which object you want me to delete? Player.
Player.
Which property you want me to delete? Yeah. So whenever you write like key with dot notation, key should not contains what? Spaces, not. And my key should be static. Yes, my key is A only. There is no, okay, it is not a reference. And okay, it is not having the spaces. Now, if you come here, if you see my player, my A deleted or not? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Now it returns me what? True. It returns me true. But the thing is here, it makes some confusion to you. Now, if you run this again, what you're expecting? What you're expecting?
It returns false.
Yeah, it's supposed to be written false. Why? Because okay, that A is not there. But what they think is okay, A is deleted. Just think like A deleted or not. Yes or no? Yes or no? A deleted or not? In the player object, A there or not there?
Not there.
Not there.
Not there.
So that means what? Deleted. So it is always returns me true. Understood? Got my point?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the way you can delete one property, single property from the object. All the properties, if you want to delete, do we have anything?
Delete player.
Okay, now if you see this player, see, it is not deleted or not. This is only delete the particular property or not. If you want to delete all the properties, reassignment only the, what is that? Come on, what is that one?
Empty.
Reassignment. Whenever you do like reassignment like this, my previous value is override with what? Previous value is override with what?
Empty.
String. Agreed. Okay, so finally, what is the next one?
So if you're trying to delete a property which is not there, it will not throw any error.
Yeah, it is not an error, but irrelevant message. In the irrelevant output, you can get. Okay, it's not gives an error, any error, right? Red message is not there, right? Red mark or something.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So for good, everyone. So the final one is what?
Retrieve.
Okay, you have to retrieve the data from the object or not. Can anyone tell me how to retrieve?
Square bracket and key name.
Dot notation square bracket.
Simply player dot name. Simply player of full name. Simply player of A. A is what? A is what?
Key.
Dynamic static by seeing this one. Square bracket with, come
Dynamic.
on, reference name, not string. Whenever you see square bracket with reference name, okay, it's like a dynamic key or not. What is my A value? Location. My location, player of location is what? What is the value? Mumbai is the value or not. Agreed? Agreed, huh? So for good. So now my question is, in this particular object, how many keys are there? Keys.
4.
4.
4 keys are there. So how many properties you can say by seeing this one?
4.
4 properties.
4 property. Property keys are like dynamic or that means property keys are like duplicate or it's like individual. That means unique.
Unique.
Unique always. If you try to insert the same key again, my operation is what?
Update.
Update operation or not. Okay, now is there any, okay, see object dot keys. What is that one? Object dot keys. Object dot keys. Now player dot keys. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between this one and this one? The OOP static we not discussed, we'll discuss that one. See, we have one keys method inside my object as like a static member. So how many properties keys are there? Okay, those keys you can get it or not? Yes or no? So how we can? Object dot keys of player. How many keys you have? How many keys you have?
Four.
4 keys.
Okay.
4 keys. So can you find the length? Can I find the length? So I can say in my object, how many properties are there?
4.
4 properties or not? 4 properties. So my player has how many properties? If you want to find it, which static method is there in the object class?
Keys.
Keys. By using that one we can. My object dot values also there. By using values, can I get exact number of properties? Okay, here also 4 properties, 4 values you can get it. Yes, you can get it. But recommended one is what? Always keys. Why? Because keys are like unique, na? But here, if it is duplicate also, showing like what? 2 properties only, right? 2 elements only, right? Yes or no? For example, my my player dot a equals to Mumbai. Okay, now my object dot values of this. Okay, see Mumbai, that's okay. But this is individual element, this is individual element. Total how many elements? 5 elements or not? Yes or no? Agreed. Any questions so far? One second. Understood or not? Okay, now you can find the length. So here also you can get how many properties are there. Okay, na? Done. The next one. This is my player. Name property or runs property there or not there? Runs property there or not there?
There.
There, right? Programmatically tell me. Programmatically tell me how. Yeah, tell me. One property is there or not there? Object has own property. Runs there or not there? Player dot has own property. Runs there or not there? So has own property is the method you have to use by using an object reference. Runs whenever you pass, it gives me true. If this one, there or not there?
No.
There or not
Not
there?
there. Not
Not
there.
there. So that it returns me what? False or not. If you want to perform some operation on the property, first of all, that property should be there. Then only you can proceed. If the property is not there, you should not go, right? So that property is there or not there, if you want to check, has own property is the method. It's a instance method. By using instance only, object only, you have to call it. Okay, that time it returns me what? Either true or false. Agreed? Come on. How we can retrieve the data using for loop? For loop. Okay, this is my player. We have for let I equals to, okay, val inside player, okay, for in is the loop, okay, console.log of val. Okay, first it gives me what? It gives me type error. Why? Because this is the one, right? Console. Now see, for in is the loop. It gives me what? Every iteration. For every iteration, it gives me what?
Yes.
Okay, you can get it keys, right? Keys. In JavaScript, for off loop also there. For off, will it work or not work? For off, okay, it is like non-iterable. It is only work for arrays, not for objects. So for in is the loop. You can get like a keys always. Whenever you get the key, okay, how we can get the value? If you have a key, how we can get the value? My player of your key or not. Whenever you put like a square bracket with key, can anyone tell me this key is like a dynamic or not? Square bracket without double code. That time I can say this key is what? Dynamic or not.
Then
So
yes.
player, first time first key you can get it. What is my first key? Come on, what is my first key? Tell me, what is my first key? Name. Player of name. You can get like a Sachin. Okay, runs. Player of runs. Player of full name. Okay, Mumbai 2 times so that Mumbai is printed or not. Yes, no. Come on. All are okay. So far good. Any questions so far? Anyone? How to retrieve using for in loop? Okay, done. Then the next one. This is my player now. This is my player. I decided like I don't want to allow any person. Okay, that means yes. Okay, I want to seal it. I don't want to do any operation. I want to allow only for retrieving operation. Then the time. So far, how many properties are there? Let me delete here. Okay, to avoid the confusion. How many properties are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 properties are there. Yes or no? Now, in my object class, we have one method is there. Freeze is the method. What is the method name? Freeze is the method. Whenever it is like a freezed, player dot n1 equals to 10. Now, see my player. Are you able to insert? Tell me. Are you able to insert? It is not gives me any error, but it is inserted or not inserted?
Not
Inserted or
inserted.
not inserted? Player dot name equals to Kohli. Already name is there. My operation is what? Update. Is it updated?
No.
No. Delete player dot name. Player dot name. It is like deleted or not deleted? Deleted or not deleted? Not deleted.
Delete.
My player dot name is like Sachin. It means whenever my object is like freezed, what kind of operations you can perform? Only retrieving. We are not able to perform insert, update, delete operations or not. Yes or no? It's like freezed. It is not allow you to insert, update or delete. Agreed? Come on. Okay. Freeze means what kind of operation you can perform? Only retrieve. Now the same object dot seal, okay, object dot seal. So player dot name is equals to Dhoni. See my player, okay, previous that is like freezed. Let me refresh it, okay. Otherwise you can simply take where obj equals to, okay, n1 equals to 10, n1 10, n2 20, n3 30. Now object dot, what is the method? Seal is the method. So obj dot n1 equals to 100 or 1000. Now see my obj, updated or not? Yes, no. Obj dot n4 equals to 40. Inserted or not? Delete obj dot n1. Deleted or not? You sealed, you packed. Once you packed, you are not able to insert. At the same time, you are not able to remove also, right? It's sealed. But what you can do? We can, come on. What we can do? We can update it or not. What is the difference between freeze and seal? What is the difference between freeze and seal?
Freeze only retrieve.
Only retrieve, freeze. Seal,
Update.
retrieve and
Only
update. Retrieve and update. We are not perform insert,
Or
delete. Understood? All are okay? Yes. The next one. Object dot is extensible. Okay. Now obj dot n1 equals to 1000. Yes. Obj dot, that means update. Obj dot n1 retrieve. Obj dot delete obj dot n1. Deleted or not? Obj dot n4 equals to 40. Is it inserted or not inserted? Come on, inserted or not inserted? Is extensible. Something wrong. Okay. Object dot extensible, prevent extensions. Is extensible is nothing but extensible or not, you want to check it. Okay, see, prevent extensible. Obj dot n1 retrieving, are you? Yes. Obj dot n1 equals to 100. Update, are you? Yes. Delete obj dot n1 retrieving, yes. Obj dot n4 equals to 40. Are you able to insert? No. It means extensions means what? Extra things adding, right? Prevent means stop it. Prevent extension means insert, don't do it. Remaining 3 operations, we can do it or not. What are the 3 operations? What are those 3 operations? Retrieving, deleting, and updating or not. Understood? Now tell me the difference. Freeze, seal, and prevent extensible. Freeze, okay, freeze, insert, update, delete. Seal, okay, it is like prevents insert and delete. Prevent extension. It prevents extension, means prevents insertion only. Prevent insertion only. Understood? Any questions? Anyone have any questions?
So can you repeat that seal means what it is doing?
Sealed. Seal means sealed. We cannot take it out. We cannot insert also. That means what? Delete, insert. Okay, let me write it. Insert, update, delete, retry. Okay. This is the one. Freeze, seal. Next, prevent extensions. Insert, tell me. Freeze. No.
No.
Seal. No. Prevent extension. No.
No.
Update. Freeze. No. Seal. Yes. Seal. Update it. Prevent extensions. Yes. Delete. Come on. Delete. Freeze.
No.
No. Seal. No. Prevent extension. Yes. Retrieving. Yes. Yes. And yes. Okay, na? Agreed? Any questions? Okay, then we'll continue many things in the next session. I'll share you this video, just you can walk through those. Okay, if you want, you can join at 10 a.m. We have a design pattern session. Okay, just you can join. Workshop.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.